Good morning students. How are you? Fine. Very good. Students, in previous classes we have learned all the letters. हमने पिछले क्लासेस में पूरे अल्फाबेट्स पढ़ चुके हैं ना A to Z, बट वो सीक्वेंस में नहीं थे ना, वो पैटर्न लेटर्स थे। आज हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, उन लेटर्स का रिवीजन कर रहे हैं और उन्हें हम सीक्वेंस में लिखना सीख रहे हैं। ठीक है, सो टेक आउट योर इंग्लिश नोटबुक, पेंसिल, very good and start writing work. Okay बेटा, firstly we will write letter A. हम कहाँ से शुरू कर रहे हैं? letter A से. You have 4 lines now. Okay, look here. A हम कैसे लिखेंगे? Firstly we will draw one slanting line, then we will draw one again slanting line. कहाँ से कहाँ तक बनाई है मैम ने? पिंक लाइन से स्टार्ट की है और सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन तक आई है. Now we will draw one sleeping line on first blue line. This is letter A. Which letter is this? A. And sound of A is F. Now letter B. Standing line and 2 right curve. This is letter B. Which letter is this? B. And sound of B is B. Now letter C. This is letter C. Which letter is this? C. And sound of C is K. Now letter D. Which letter is this? D. And sound of D is D. Sound of D is D. Now letter E. D के बाद कौन सा लेटर आएगा? E. Okay. And sound of E is A. Now after E, letter F. देखिए. Which letter is this? F. And sound of F is F. Sound of F is F. Now letter G. G को बेटा ध्यान से देखिए, हम G कैसे लिख रहे हैं, देखिए ये. Very good. This is letter G. Which letter is this? G. And sound of G is G. Now letter H. देखिए हमने letter H कैसा लिखा है. This is letter H. Which letter is this? H. And sound of H is H. Now letter I. This is letter I. Which letter is this? I. And sound of I is E. Now letter J. अब हम कौन सा लेटर लिखेंगे? J. देखिए, this is letter J. And sound of J is J. Now K. Which letter is this? K. Sound of K is K. Now L. Which letter is this? L. And sound of L is L. L के बाद क्या था बेटा? M. This is letter M. Which letter is this? M. And sound of M is M. Now N. This is letter N. Which letter is this? N. And sound of N is N. Now next O. This is letter O. Which letter is this? O. And sound of O is O. Now P. This is letter P. And sound of P is P. Sound of P is P. Now next Q. Which letter is this? Q. And sound of Q is Q. Sound of Q is Q. Now next R. Which letter is this? R. And sound of R is R. Sound of R is R. Now S. Which letter is this? S. And sound of S is S. Sound of S is S. Now next T. This is letter T. And sound of T is T. Sound of T is T. Now next U. This is letter U. And sound of U is A. Sound of U is A. Then V. This is letter V. And sound of V is V. Next W. This is letter W. And sound of W is W. Sound of W is W. Now next X. This is letter X. Which letter is this? X. And sound of X is S. Now next Y. This is letter Y. Which letter is this? Y. And sound of Y is Y. Then this Z. This is letter Z. Okay. And sound of Z is Z. Okay बेटा. Now repeat again. एक बार फिर से हम लोग repeat करेंगे with phonic. A B B C K D D E A F G G H I E J J K K L L M M N N O P P Q Q R S T T U V W X Y Z Z. ओके बेटा, आज हमने यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस में लेटर्स को लिखना और पढ़ना सीखा है. आपको इन सभी लेटर्स की लिखकर और बोलकर प्रैक्टिस करनी है. बाय बाय स्टूडेंट.